You know, I know there's only one original. I get it. I got it. Yeah, okay, it's good. But there are so many different fragrances that have that kind of feel that I've never been like, yeah, let me get a full bottle of that. Now, if it was gifted to me, ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to get into fragrances that I love, but I wouldn't get a full bottle of it. And I'll tell you why. If you're interested in seeing what those are, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, hi, new family, hey. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are doing really well. So let's get right into it. Hey, I have some fragrances, right, that I love, that I've tested, that I have smelled in store. Honestly, love them, right? But I would never purchase a full bottle of it. Do you all have fragrances like that that you love? You love the smell. You might even love the packaging, but you're like, I'm not getting a full bottle of that. If you have any fragrances like that, comment down below. Would love to know what they are, okay? But here are some of the ones that I have on this video and the reasons why. So let's get started. First off, we have, okay, Miss Popular, okay? We're going to talk about none other than Baccarat.
What did you say?
What?
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 Say what again? Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you.
Don't cut me off. We're going to go through her real quick. The world knows about Baccarat, Maison, Francis, Kurkdjian, Baccarat 540. So the world knows about this fragrance, right? And I love the smell. Don't get me wrong. Love the smell, love the bottle, love the packaging. Love it even smelling great on other people, right? I think it's a unisex kind of fragrance. It's a love, okay? But I would not purchase a full bottle. And I say that because there are so many different replicas of, you know, I know there's only one original. I get it. I got it. Yeah, okay, it's good. But there are so many different fragrances that have that kind of feel that I've never been like, yeah, let me get a full bottle of that. Now, if it was gifted to me or something like that down the line, I would accept any and all gifts, okay? But I would not purchase a full bottle, okay? Now the price tag, I mean, it's pricing. However, what has always caught my eye that I do have a full bottle of is the Extrait de Parfum, okay? I love the Extrait version. I feel like this gives me like a almond, almost just like a warm smelling coziness, sexiness event. Like this gives me everything that I could want and more, okay? And this is MFK. This is the one that I really wanted to get, right? I have Gentle Fluidity Gold, but this was really like, if I was thinking about in that range, this is the one that I really wanted to have in my collection. And I'd rather have this, and I don't know, I might be the only one, but I'd rather have the Extrait version, the Extrait, however you pronounce it, but I would rather have this version than the original. And that's just my opinion. However, but,
But wait, there's more.
You know, comma, explanation point. Okay, but I have a dupe, And I know some of my families are not into dupe, but I'll tell you why I got the dupe, right? One, pricing. Put it out there, right? Pricing. It was going to be cheaper, but I feel like I am able to get the same smell, but just at a more affordable price, right? So I'm cool. I'm cool with not having the Baccarat. But I do love the smell. I just wouldn't have a full bottle of it. But if you are looking for a dupe, Barakkat, honey, and we got some hauls coming up. Whew, because I got some more Barakkat because I'm sold. I'm sorry. So they got my coin. If they come up with another one, so I'm going to get that one too. I'm going to be a Barakkat stan, okay? Not a Barakkat stan, but I got Barakkat, and this is Rouge 540. This gives me same vibes. Now, this is not, I wouldn't say this is like a straight on dupe, but honey, I'm going to give you 97%, okay? It's close enough. And I would rather just have this in my collection if I'm trying to just have that smell. You know what I'm saying? Because I could get I'm not going to go there. I could get Ariana Cloud. Okay, I went there. I could get Ariana Cloud. And, just saying, okay? Moving on. Next up in my perfumes that I love, but would probably not get a full bottle of it, would have to be Rosa Elixir. Okay, let's talk through this, okay? Now, the bottle, amazing, right? Their packaging for Roja reminds me, and I don't know if they're like sister company, they might not be. I ain't looked that up. Comment down below if you know. But they give me like luxury packaging vibes as like Tiziana Terenzi gives me. Like the packaging, amazing. Like even House of Sillage with the cupcakes, like it's very extravagant packaging, right? Love their bottles. Just all that to say, love their bottles. But I would say, and it smells so good, but Rosa Elixir, okay, and this, I got this back in the day from Scentbird. You all know I have a subscription with Scentbird, but I got this a few time or 2 or 20 ago, right? They're a little old, okay, and I've used it. I love the smell. I love that you can wear this in the spring. I love just the fruity, kind of like light, almost like a watery fruit. You know what I'm saying? It has raspberry in this. I think it has bergamot in this. It has everything in it. Cinnamon, vanilla. The list goes on, okay? And we'll put the list up, but the list is listed. It's a whole bunch of scents up in this thing. Okay, it got everything. But, family, the price tag on me misses me because the longevity in it, family, for me, like, make it make sense. Like, we're talking about like retail price, like $3.15.
I said I would, but the way my bank account is set up, the thing is I got a checking in the savings, but all the money is in my savings. So I got to switch it to my checking, but it's going to take 3 business days. I don't think it's going to go through. I don't think it's going to go through.
You know, I write notes down. You know how you'll say. Mm-hmm. But $3.15, like, not being alone, and I know that you can get it probably at a more affordable price on like a discounted site, right? But for what is given, longevity is a no. It doesn't smell like something I don't already own that is much affordable. Like, I can probably pull out a designer and it gives me the same type of vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just doesn't make sense for me to purchase it as a full bottle, okay? So all that to say, I don't have any Roja in my collection. I just don't. I ain't got a problem with the house. I think they have some great smelling scents. Have I smelled? Yes. When I've gone in stores, I have smelled Roja Parfum before, right? But yeah, it just don't make sense to me. So what's your thoughts on Roja? I love it. But if somebody want to give it to me, cool. But no. Oh, but it's so good. Okay, well, moving on. Next, I have Viktor and Rolf BonBon. Okay, I know the girlie's like, what you got that in? Why is this in the video? Somebody said that. Why is this in your video? Because I'm looking at her now in my collection. Okay, let me tell you. Like, this is a fruity gourmand. Love the smell, sis. Like, I do. I love the smell. Love the smell. I mean, I do. I just feel like for a caramel fragrance, I just got it. Like, I feel like it's cool. But for me to purchase a full bottle, I probably have something like it already in my collection that even is more projecting and louder. Like, and no shade on it. Again, I love the scent. I love it. But me purchasing a full bottle, no. I mean, and it's not even the packaging, like the little cutesy little bow. I don't even have no beef with that. Like, cute little packaging, cute. But let me go over the notes. So we have some peach, some mandarin orange, orange caramel. We have orange blossom, jasmine. We have some sandalwood, some amber. We have so many great notes, right, in this fragrance. For me, I would just, look at it. Like, I have used this a handful of times. I would say like 3 or 4 times, right? Who's keeping count?
4, 5.
What are you doing?
6, 7.
Why aren't you trying to go get something?
9.
Okay, 3 or 4 times, and I haven't missed it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's one of those that get put in the background because you have so many, like, bangers out there now. You like, banger. You know, you just have so many other bangers in your collection. And when you look at it, finally, you like, oh, I do love you. Or I do like you. I just forgot about you. Like, it's easily forgotten. So, I want to purchase a full bottle of it, but I do love it. Okay, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Okay, moving on. And last, but certainly not least, I have 2 Tom Ford fragrances. I know, I just had to leave them last because it is what it is. We already know what one of them is. We already know what you gonna say, sis, because everybody else and name mama and every YouTuber and creator always be talking about this one. Well, you know, comment down below. I know you know. That's why I have to be in this video. But it is none other than Tom Ford's The Lost of the Lost Cherries. And I have a, if you can see it so that you know, look, okay. So I have a tester of it, right? And I have used a lot of this, right? I got this one from Royalty Scent. I believe that's what it's called. Yeah, Royalty Scent. That's what's on there. Perfect. So I got this from Royalty Scent when I was a member. I'm not a member at this time, but I will probably reconsider. We'll see. Because they do have a lot of niche things that Scentbird doesn't. But now Scentbird is dipping in a little dip niche. Okay. You have to pay a little extra dollar. Whereas Royalty Scent, she paid an extra dollar up front. To each his own, right? Anyway, Tom Ford Lost Cherry. There are some people that say that this lasts really long on their skin. For me, it doesn't. It doesn't. It smells really good, but it doesn't last long.
It doesn't just work.
And so for me, again, price for me to pay that pricing for you to go on my body, and then I am like, you are missing in action. Where did you go? Like, it just doesn't work out for me. Like, so I love the scent, love the fragrance, but I would not purchase a full bottle of it. Again, gifted, I accept all gifts. but honestly, yeah, and ... Again, you know, a dupe version that I have found, like it was at Target. I can't think of the name off the top of my head, but there was like this cherry scent that you could get at Target. It's a perfume. I just got it not too long ago. I wasn't even going to mention this. That's why I forgot what the name is. But, like, it gives me similar vibes. And I would rather pay that price tag of like $30, $40 or like $30 than $200-$300 for something that's just, again, not going to last, right? So that's just my opinion, right? So Tom Ford Lost Cherry is on that list. And then Tom Ford's Bitter Peach, okay? Also from Royalty Scent, I got this. This is where I fell in love with Tom Ford's Bitter Peach, okay? Look, this is where I fell in love. This is where I fell in love with that, right? But Tom Ford Bitter Peach to me, because it's so sweet and that peach and juicy, but it also to me gives this like oud, almost like sappy, thick type of fragrance. To me, like you can't wear this every day. Like this is not an everyday type of thing. So I did have this on my wish list and I was like, yes, this year I'm going to get Tom Ford's Bitter Peach. That's what I was going to do. But then my love of dupes down self done found some bright peach. And I said, Tom Ford Bitter Peach, who? Tom Ford Bitter Peach, who? Who that? Where that at? And I love this one. And it gives me same vibes, but I actually love the brightness in it. Like, I love the way they did this and made it like something that I could wear every day. Like, I feel like this is for like a season. But this, I feel like I could wear this very much around the season and it won't get like so heavy and cloying or something like that. Like, I love this version. And this is from Maison Alhambra. If you all don't know, I think I got this off of, it would either be Triple Traders or Joma Shop. I can't remember which one, but if you go back to some of my other videos, I probably give you details because I had an unboxing with this, okay? But to me, I love this one, and the price tag was pricing. I think this was like around $30.
Say what?
Comparison to Tom Ford price, which keeps going up. Now, Tom, we done had enough. Now, okay, we get it. Pandemic, we get it. But you need to come back down, okay? Whatever cloud you sitting on right now, look down and then come up off of it, okay? We'll be waiting for you, bro, okay? But yeah, I like this one better. That's just me, my opinion. If you have it, let us know your thoughts down below. What, the family would love to even know if you feel this, if you don't. Whatever your thoughts are, let us know, sis. All right, moving on. Well, that's all. That is all, family. Hey, again, what are some things that you are loving, but you like, sis, I'm not getting a full bottle. And tell me why. I would love to know your reasons why, whether that be pricing, longevity, whatever it is, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you all are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, what? Yo, sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.